So I've got this thing set on the blue setting on my core, and we're going to use the same coil for yours and my core and compare the two. Here goes. Starting it. We'll just see what temp it gets up to when it vibrates and what temp it finishes at. You can see there's 3 numbers in case like I miss a spot. We're always just going to read the high numbers. Whatever we get for high numbers. Just moving it around a little bit just to make sure I get a proper reading. So this is the lowest setting. Okay, it just turned off. Okay, so I have yours hooked up with the same coil, and we're going to run it again. Here. Moving the temp around to see. So it just vibrated. This is the blue setting. Should be buzzing off here. There it is.